What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your Solana update. It's been kind of daily the last couple of days. I covered it a lot, but today I had to cover it again. It's down another 10%. Volume up a lot. You can see it's to me it looks quite fundamental, and with fundamental I mean that it's big institutions, big players, maybe whales selling the coins, but like this in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, $21 million was sold in Sol. And that comes together with the news that some FTX and Alameda research wallets actually became active again. So is this FTX or Alameda selling Solana? I'm not sure. But it is a coincidence. And in one of my previous videos, I actually tried to look up I actually tried to look up which wallets actually became active again, because you can do some, it's the blockchain, you can do some open analysis, but I couldn't find it anymore. I read it somewhere on Twitter. Here you can see Alameda wallets become active days after FTX bill and the community mulls foul play. So again, there's a lot of fear around FTX. I want to see which wallet this is because Alameda Research has like 30-40 wallets. They were swapping the funds for Bitcoin using decentralized exchanges. Yeah, it's like the thing is that it almost looks by the decentralized applications they use, it almost looks like it's hacked again, or there's indeed foul play. So that's obviously bearish for Solana, which is heavily tied to FTX, and I still believe that they hold Sol tokens. Now, I thought those Sol tokens would be locked up because of the whole bankruptcy proceedings, but if something like this is happening, I'm not sure what's happening over there, right? Well, I cannot talk. But that's the situation for Solana right now. Now I must say that we had already, I kind of hoped that we could hold $11, but in my last few analyses we already saw this coming quite a lot. I mean, there was just this very strong downtrend. We were not even touching the EMAs yet, so that usually that means that it's a very strong downtrend. And that caused us to get a bearish breakout through our $11 support level. You can see that yesterday afternoon we actually took that, we had that bearish breakout, took a break retest. And now we're dropping to this entire level between $10 and well, ultimately 9.1, but let's just say $9, between 9 and 10, which historically is a significant support level. And I also think it's going to hold. I mean, unless right now there's a big hack in the wallets of FTX and they start selling all the Solana tokens they have. Unless that happens, I think this is going to hold for at least some time. I mean, still, as you all know, it's still very bearish. I mean, we're almost down, what are we? We're down like 30% from this $14 level again. So Solana still doesn't seem to be able to catch a break, but I think that $10, $9, it's a technical strong support level. And it's fundamentally and psychologically also a strong support level. So I do think we can hold this initially. Now, if nothing changes for the better in the market or for Solana, I think long term we're still going to drop down to $8 and 7.5. All right, let that be clear. But this is more of a short term analysis, and on the short term, I think we can hold this. And I even think we can get a bullish breakout if the market gets a little bit better. But at this point of time, that really looks unlikely. So I won't talk about that. I'll talk about that in an update. But for now, like really short term, we have dropped down to $10. We might find some support. We might find some real recovery, right? It's a strong support level, but I don't think we're going to break above $11 again. I think we're slowly going to drop all the way down to $9, and then from there, consolidate, stabilize, whatever you want to call it. But we're not going to get a bullish breakout, I think, unless there's some great Solana development right now. Even though, I mean, we're still getting news regarding Solana and Google Cloud, which have a partnership. But that seems to be very far away either, and I'm not sure if that's actually going to even get us some bullish momentum. Solana doesn't look great right now. I mean, we could still, you can tune out. I mean, it's becoming a pretty long video, but I always think it's interesting to take a look at the chains and how Solana is performing. And you can see that it has dropped down 2 more places. It's now under Mixin and Clayton, which I mean, those chains, they're almost nothing, right? I think at least, and Solana is below them right now. So yeah, definitely not looking great. I will be back with more updates on Solana in the future, but for now, that's my take. So thank you for watching and listening. Bye, and yeah, bye.